All right, good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you. Today's date is 25th of April 2026, and we are here again to react on a post made by Udele. So the post has to do with the late Nigerian army couple, of course. They are both of them are couples, and look at the picture here. You can see the pictures of the people. This picture is not new to you because they have used this picture to run a lot of propaganda and attack on Biafran agitators, of course, ESM and IPOB. According to them, that's what name they normally call. So, looking at the whole thing, in as much as we don't support we don't support anybody committing crime or engaging with criminality or kidnapping, we don't support that. But we have to be realistic to ourselves. We have to pay attention to the problem for us to know if what they are saying is true or not. I don't promote violence, neither am I promoting any criminality. Okay? The picture of these soldiers, this couple, has been used in so many things, especially Udele and his gang. Whoever that may be responsible for their death, I don't know. And I don't support that. But there's a reason why I'm writing on it. I want you to pay close attention while I show you the post made by Udele in regard of these people. Remember, they have made a post about them so many times. In fact, when Udele was with his gang were protesting in Abuja, they designed some t-shirts, with pictures of the couple. And they said they're demanding justice for them and all that. So the post he made today, shows how they dig the grave of these people, and there are some human bodies and human bones and skulls and all that. I have a question. That's why I'm writing on this. But before that, please like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Let us know what you think about it. If you don't know what Jesus are, honestly. But let's go through that. Please don't forget to share it. And if you are new to this platform, please subscribe to the channel and put your comment. Let me know what you think about what the video is all about. Okay. Pay attention to this. Right. This page is Udele page. This is his page, and he made this exposition today. And the post that I'm going to show you, just pay attention. The post you are actually seeing it already. So let's go up here. He made this post, as you can see, 33 minutes. 33 minutes ago, he posted this with all this write up here. I don't want to waste time reading this junk. I have scanned through the write up. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I was searching to know if there's anybody that maybe a name at all that shows that the person is one of those that buried this couple there and there and there. You know what I mean? Remember, the couples, according to them, were kidnapped and tied and buried and all that. Okay? For you to know where they buried them, there must be somebody who is one of those that buried the dead body. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because in Igbo language, there's this saying that says, no na no rebe ni rozu, bi bopota de ozu, obido no. Because imalebe the isi de ozu no. So for you to be able to locate the place where they buried them and was able to dig some bone, dig them out, whether bones of their body, skulls and anything at all, simply means two things involved. Is either we have captured the kidnapper and they have confessed and they're able to show you, look at where we buried the person. Then you can then dig the place and see things for yourself. But there's nobody was mentioned, nothing at all. Okay? Instead, the write-up is about, talking about the couples and what they have done and all that. In fact, let me see if I'm going to read at least one or two paragraphs from this. It says, just in, Army recovers remains of personnel killed while heading for wedding in Imo. The Nigerian Army has recovered the remains of two personnel who were killed in 2022 while traveling from their traditional wedding in Imo State, a development that has renewed public attention and emotion over the tragic incident. Security source disclosed that the victims, Master Warrant Officer, Lieutenant Colonel, all right, because I don't know who the title in the army, I'm not going to lie to you, Linus Musa Adu, and Lance Corporal Gloria Matthew were abducted and murdered by suspected members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPB suspected, okay, and East Arm Wing, the ESN, Eastern Security Network, along the Obaha Osu axis of the state. According to the security sources, the couple had embarked on a journey in April 2022 to Matthew's hometown for their traditional wedding ceremony, an occasion meant to unite their families and celebrate their relationship. Audu, a retired senior non-commissioned officer, had completed years of dedicated service while Matthew remained in active service and was widely described by colleague as a disciplined and committed to duty. Oyibo the lad they flow. Anytime you are reading his write-up, they flow to me. Oh, when dog if you are reading it, you can see proper grammar. But his way he's claiming to be an orator. It's shocking because the man can't present anything meaningful to anybody. That's just the fact. So everything so far is not actually referring or exposing who actually led them to where they buried the body so that for them to manage to dig it out. Do you understand? Remember, this happened 2022. How do they know who led them there? I'm just asking because that would have let you know who actually committed a crime. This is something that happened years ago, meaning that it's not something that you will say, okay, let me hide the person for anything at all. No. For you to be able to locate where they buried the people simply means is either you are one of the people that buy them, or you have the people that buy them that led you there. That is exactly what I'm talking about. The remains were recovered during the recent military operation based on fresh intelligence. Source said troops encountered resistance as suspected armed element launched coordinated, including an ambush and a flow-up assault. However, the troop reportedly repelled the attacks and secured the area during the operation. While combing the location, soldiers discovered shallow graves, believing to contain the remains of the enslaved personnel. The graves were subsequently excavated and the remains recovered for forensic examination for forensic examination. Military authorities said efforts are underway to contact the family of the deceased to facilitate DNA verification in order to ensure proper identification ahead of burial. Now, this thing you are seeing here, they have not conducted DNA, they have not done anything, but they have already, if there is quick to post their pictures. Now the question is, the location is very, very wide. And according to them, sorry about that. So how can you now tell me that these people that they don't know where the location is? And look at Udele. He was quick to post the pictures and claim that the grave are these people and all that. Honestly, I don't believe anything like this. I'm telling you the truth. I don't believe him. I don't believe that they are not the one that actually committed the crime. That is me, because the story is not adding up. You are moving in the location, then you now say a shallow grave, then you are now assume that that grave is where these people are buried, and you don't know the location before, like you don't know those places. It's not adding up. Let me know what you think about it. Udele is on assignment. That's not the fact. And those who are buying these people, you guys made a very big mistake, and it's not good at all. Avoid killing and taking life unnecessarily. Honestly, I don't see any reason why you will launch such an attack, beheading people and buy people like that. No, it's very, very, very wrong. But people are taking advantage of this criminal act to take away innocent life. That's exactly what Udele is doing, and it's very, very bad. Very, very, very wrong. Maybe you have a different opinion, please rush on the comment section and let me know what is your own take. Like the video and subscribe. See you again. Like I told you, I'm gonna keep it very simple. Bye bye for now. Take care.